super excited that you are tuned in again. How are you doing? I would continuously love to hear and get your feedback. It makes me happy. It makes me stay connected to you, really. I'm hoping and believing that all other videos we have on the channel have been beneficial to you. If you have not taken time to watch one or two, a lot. We have educational videos, we have lifestyle, we have entertainment, a whole lot. Just take our time to see what benefits you and what would help you grow. It's our learn, share, and grow channel. So, welcome once again, and we are going to be looking at a very interesting topic. Yeah, it's very interesting. It's intriguing because some persons have gotten depressed out of it. Some persons have lost their jobs because of it. But some other persons have excelled because of it. They've grown out of it. They've mastered the art and they are better off. And it's how to excel in a difficult environment. It could be in a workplace, it could be in your home, it could be in your business, whatever it is, the rules are the same. How do you excel in such an environment? It could be that you have bosses that don't like you. It could be that you have neighbors that don't like you. It could be that you have whatever it is that don't appreciate you. It could even be on your social media page, whatever it is. Um, all you require is just a combination of skills, mindset, and strategy. And the very first, I'm just going to give you a few, about eight. And the very first that can help is stay positive. It's about the heart. Now, if you don't defeat yourself, nobody can defeat you. That's a certain, it's a given. Um, it doesn't matter what is before you, it doesn't matter the giant before you. If I've come to realize this, you see, the shortest persons on earth, the short people, they are always very vocal, and very bold, very confident. In fact, you would think they can defeat those that are way taller than them because obviously they are always looking up to everybody. Still, they are very and the confidence that ensues from them make you hardly see a short person beating on the floor because you don't even know what they carry. You don't know what is inside of them. That is them staying positive. Leave your limitations, leave your surrounding, leave your happenings. Stay in your own word. And that's a word you've built called the positive mindset, the positive word. You are the only one staying in. It's like light. It doesn't matter if darkness is completely surrounding you. You've built your own room, you've built your own world, and you are inside, you are enclosed in it. That's how you should see yourself. Oh, I am here. I am ahead. I am positive. I am happy. I am progressing. I am glad. And whatever happens outside you just keeps revolving outside you. And you know what? Once you can maintain this for long, it grows. It grows. It grows. And then you realize that your immediate surrounding starts getting light. You realize that your immediate surrounding starts bearing the same mindset with you. The things that don't relate with your mindset starts falling apart. That's why with time we realize that the real friends stay or come along, while those that seemed to be real friends that were actually fake starts falling apart because you have in the midst of all the malice, the hatred, have continuously stayed positive. You don't once you bend to your environment, you are a loser. That's just simply put, you are a loser because you're falling into the league, you're falling into the trap. Do what is right. If the environment is becoming difficult and you cannot just walk out of it, maybe change the environment, you have to examine. Maybe that's where you get your daily bread. That's where your business environment is. Then you have to keep staying positive. Maintaining a positive attitude can help you stay motivated and focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. The goal here is to progress. And when you focus on problems, you cannot move forward. So here we are finding solutions How can I be better? How can I win my surrounding? How can I win people? That's where your mindset is. And that's because you are maintaining a positive attitude and a positive mindset. You are staying motivated. You are staying focused. Don't lose track. That's what I'm saying. If you lose track, if you lose guard, you fall into that trap. You fall into that deed. You need to stay positive. You need to condition your mind to finding solutions rather than expanding or dwelling on problems. Number two, you have to be resilient. Stand your ground for what is right. Keep on doing what you are doing that is right. Your results will tell for you. I've seen this many a times. It doesn't matter if your competition is bad mouthing you, has a upper hand to go to the top management or go to the community leader to speak ill of you. Once you keep being resilient, once you keep doing what you are doing, your results will speak for you. Nobody can contend with results. I am telling you from a fact. Nobody can contend with result. Time after time, when you are constant, when you keep doing what you are doing, and your results keep coming first, keep coming forth, keep manifesting. It doesn't matter what is being said negative about you. As long as they can hear, they can see, your words will go out. And within a short period of time, people will come. I have been in an environment where I am so different. Maybe because of the tribe, the language, the looks. I'm different. Every other person are from the same tribe, from the same, and suddenly there's a lot of opera. Why is this going to this? Why is this going to that? Why is this happening to this? Why is this going to this? And things might want to change, but when you keep remaining constant and producing your results, they'll have no choice. The world wants people that produce results, not people that complain, not people that are full of excuses. Trust me. Now, put yourself in the shoes of being a director, a leader, and somebody comes to give you words and say, "Oh, this staff comes late every time. This staff does not know how to do this, does not know how to do this," and then you put that mindset. I'm like, staff needs to be fired. And then suddenly the general manager comes to you and say, "Oh, we've made these sales, we've made this." You'll be like, who did this? And he says, "That staff." 2 weeks again, in another 2 weeks, you get another result, and you ask, who is behind this? He said, this person bringing this contract. Your mindset will change. So if you are that staff that is being bad-mouthed, talked about, but you are producing results, your results are what will speak for you. Be resilient. Develop resilience. Developing resilience can help you bounce back from setback and challenges. Don't wallow in setbacks. Don't wallow in challenges. Don't wallow in all the gossiping, all the things that have been said about you. You can't make everybody happy. You can't change what has been said about you yourself, but your results can. Your results will speak far further. In fact, you will raise armies and ambassadors that you don't even know that will counter whatever they hear. You don't even need to be in those places. You will just come and people will tell you, somebody was trying to say this about you, and I told the person to shut up. He doesn't know you and he has never met you, and you are better off than this person. That's what being resilient can do for you. Number three, communicate effectively. Be clear, be effective in your communication at all times so that you are not misconstrued. Your words are not twisted. Um, Having effective and clear communication can help you build strong relationship and collaborate effectively with others. Ensure that that is important. You are here, you are trying to build relationship, you are trying to win the hearts of people. Effective communication is also important. Clear communication is also important so that you can carry people along. Carrying people along avoid ambiguity. Carrying people along avoid anything that would contradict what you intend to do. It makes everybody be on the same page. So if hitherto people are not on the same page because they don't understand you, try to communicate clearly. Try to be as audible and as clear and as concise as possible. Number four, prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Is very important. Now, taking care of this can help you stay focused and perform at your best. Remember, I started by saying dealing with difficult environment has made some people drop dead, some people giving up, depressed, start living on pills. because they've allowed it get to them. Somebody will close from work and just go back home, and all night is thinking about all the negativity that happened at work, that was said, that was probably said, that wasn't said, that might have been said, and person start having high blood pressure, start having depression, start falling sick, start spending lots of money. You need to take care of your physical, your emotional, and your mental well-being. It's only because you're alive people get to talk about you. If you allow this get to you and you pass away, everybody will let you go, because it's actually the word pass away. You allowed yourself to pass away. You have to stay. You have to stay. It is being said that all form of talk about anyone, whether negative or positive, is always a great kind of talk, because it shows that you are alive. It shows that you are worth talking about. I tell you, there are persons that are not being spoken about at all. They've tried everything possible to be seen, to be, you see a lot, a lot. You can look around your environment, you will realize there are people that are, but you are there and people are talking about you. It's a good thing. Take it for good and prioritize your self-care. Take care of your mental well-being. Take care of your emotional well-being. Take care of your physical well-being. You cannot be driving and be thinking. You cannot be driving and you just mess everything up. Don't let things get to you. Stay positive, stay resilient, communicate effectively, and prioritize your health care. It's very important. If you don't prioritize it, nobody will. And that is even the goal of the people making your environment difficult, to damage your well-being. Number five, be adaptable. Being able to adapt to changing circumstances and being open to new ideas can help you navigate difficult situations. Um, Ensure that you are not rigid, ensure that you are very flexible, with the environment, with things that are coming on board, so that you don't just keep building up enemies. You are able to understand from their own perspective. You are able to share constructive ideas. You are looking at it from a progressive mindset. You are not looking at it from trying to stall progress or stall change. There are lots of persons that don't just want change. Don't be that kind of person. Once a change is coming, oh, you are first to sit back, and if you are not a risk if you're not doing risk assessment, you should not just target the things that will make it not work. If we don't conceive things, we cannot actualize them, we cannot bring them to reality. So once somebody is conceiving something, you are seeing how to make it work. Even if you have risk assessment to talk about, is how to mitigate them to still make it work, not how to not make it work. So this should always be your thought process and how you factor things into reality. Be adaptable, be flexible, be welcoming change, contribute, and this can help you navigate through difficult situations. Number six, learn from mistakes. It's very important. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So you have to learn from mistakes. Instead of being discouraged by mistakes or feedbacks, learn from them and use them as an opportunity to grow and to improve. It's very important. Don't assume you are a saint. Don't assume you are perfect. Don't assume you cannot make mistake. Once you get feedback and somebody says, "Oh, you are doing this way, you shouldn't do it. You are doing this way, you shouldn't do it." It doesn't matter how much effort you put into it. It doesn't matter how good you feel it is. Once a lot of persons um, that you genuinely trust have given you this kind of feedback, ask for ways you can modify it. If they all come similar again, you review it too, find a way to modify that act or dealings, and see if the feedback and the results are what you are looking for. Number seven, seek support is very important. Let's not isolate ourselves. It quickly builds depression, and depression quickly builds or transcends to something very unpleasant. So quickly seek help. On all frontiers, whatever you think you are passing through, is it physical help, is it emotional help, is it mental well-being help, is it whatever it is, don't hesitate to seek help and support from others when you need it. That is why you need a mentor at all times. That is when you need a physician. That is when you need people around you to encourage you, to empower you, to be able to do what you need to do. Okay, number seven, Number eight, rather, is focus on what you can control. In difficult environments, it is easy to get caught up in things outside of your control. Instead of focusing on things that are beyond you, focus on the things that you can control, that you can take action to make progress. So, uh, don't look at your weaknesses, look at your strength. Look at the things that you can easily close up on, not the things that will take you years to learn before you close up on. Of course, you must have strength in whatever area you find yourself. So focus on what the things you can control, and leave out the things that you cannot control, and find help and assistance in those areas. Ensure that in all you don't dwell on negativity. Ensure that in all your mindset is of growth, is of progress, is of positivity. Ensure that your well-being is well taken care of. Ensure that you seek help at all times. Ensure that you communicate clearly. Ensure that you are resilient. Ensure that you are adaptable, you are flexible. Ensure that you get feedback and you learn from mistakes. With this, you'll be able to navigate whatever kind of difficult environment. You'll be able to come out strong. You're able to not get weakened or destroyed by such kind of situations, whether they're on the long term, whether they're on the short time. And yes, especially when you don't have alternatives, ensure that you are able to apply this. But if you have alternatives to work out of those difficult situations, by all means, work out. Overall, it is important to be proactive, stay calm under pressure, and maintain a clear perspective in difficult situations. Be proactive, stay calm, even under pressure, and maintain a clear perspective in difficult situations. Once you're able to do these three, you are proactive, you are calm under pressure, and you maintain a clear perspective, positive perspective under difficult, even the people that are trying to put you in that situation will be confused about how you are not letting the situation get into you. You also have to be emotionally intelligent to win in this kind of environment. So this list is obviously not exhaustive. I want you to share your own thoughts, give your own opinion, make your own list, share on the comment section. Let us learn from you. I want to get more knowledge. Share your own personal experiences, how you were able to navigate away from difficult situations. The difficult situations I have found in my life over time are the ones I can actually walk out of. Yeah, it could be in the place of work. I don't like toxic environment. Once it's becoming toxic, I just walk out of it. But other than that, I want you to share your own opinions, share your thoughts, make your own contribution. Let's keep the channel very active. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm sure you've gained value today. So the question is, why haven't you subscribed? Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. I'll be dropping more videos. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and have a beautiful day.